So you've been searching for the perfect insurance plan for your family. Let me tell you, this will be the most helpful family insurance guide you'll ever need. Insurance is one of the most important investments you can make for your family's future. It's all about protecting what matters most, your loved ones, your health, and your home. And who am I, folks, for those who are new? My name is Nicholas, and today we're going to break down the different types of insurance policies every family needs and how to choose the right one. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to making informed insurance decisions for your family. Now, here's a stat for you guys from Statista. They are a prestigious database and reporting agency. In 2022, Americans paid approximately $1.48 trillion in insurance premiums, encompassing property, casualty, life, and annuity policies. This is an incredible amount of money and shows you in general how big the insurance industry is. The substantial amount of capital underscores the critical role of insurance in the financial planning of United States households. However, premiums can vary significantly based on factors such as age, health, and coverage amount. First up, let's talk about life insurance. This is the cornerstone of financial protection for your family. Why is life insurance so important? It ensures that your loved ones are taken care of financially if something happens to you. When choosing a policy, there are a few key factors to consider. The first one is the coverage amount. For example, how much would your family need to cover expenses like mortgages, education, and daily living? Retirement experts should be doing a needs analysis with you. Then, there's term versus whole life insurance. Term insurance covers you for a specific period. Whole life provides lifelong coverage with a savings component, such as like an IUL or whole life. IULs track the performance of an index, and whole life offers you competitive savings like a savings account of high yield or a CD. And if you've got questions about life insurance like how much coverage do I need, or what's the difference between term and whole life and IUL, then don't worry, we've got you covered. Just reach out directly to us in the bottom of the description. Now, let's talk about health insurance. Health insurance is essential for protecting your family from unexpected medical expenses. When choosing a policy, look at coverage options, what services and treatments are covered. Does the plan meet your family's specific needs? Also look at provider networks. Make sure your preferred doctors and hospitals are included. If you're wondering, how do I choose a plan that works for my family? Or what's the deal with deductibles and copays? And then check with your human resources point of contact or your current provider. And if you want to get your own health insurance outside of Obamacare, feel free to reach out to us as well for affordable pricing, as we run a brokerage and can help you compare rates. Finally, let's cover homeowners or renters insurance. Whether you own or rent, this type of insurance protects your home and belongings. Key things to consider include coverage limits. Make sure your policy covers the full value of your property and possession. This is very, very important, guys, because I really have a story to tell to you. The next one is additional coverage options. Things like flood insurance or personal liability coverage can be lifesavers. And if you got questions like, what's actually covered under my policy, or do I need extra coverage? You're not alone. These are common questions that your homeowners and renters insurance companies should know. My own personal story to this was I had a friend whose belongings was destroyed in a fire about 2 months ago. She was staying with the owner of the home. The homeowner's terms and items and all that stuff in the house was protected. My friend's belongings were not, so she was not able to collect any money at all. So even if you share a home with someone, or whether you are a roommate, it's critical to make sure you have renter's insurance as well. Now, here are tips for buying insurance policies for families. The first one is research insurance companies. Before you commit to any policy, do your own research. Check customer reviews and ratings to see what others are saying about the company, and always compare quotes from multiple providers. You might be surprised at how much you can save. The next one is understanding policy terms and benefits. So read the fine print. It's not fun, but it's necessary. Make sure you understand what's covered, what's excluded, and how the benefits work. Don't be afraid to ask questions. It's your right as a customer. Finally, remember that your insurance needs will change as your family grows. Review your policies manually and take advantage of discounts or savings opportunities. Staying proactive can help you save money and stress the long run, guys. Let's recap. Number 1, life insurance protects your family financially. Number 2, health insurance safeguards against medical expenses. The third one is homeowners or renters insurance protects your property and belongings. And last one is research, understand, and regularly review your policies to make the most of your coverage. Choosing the right insurance is one of the best ways to secure your family's future. Take your time, do your research, and make informed decisions. Once again, thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more personal finance tips. And if you're looking to get into the financial services arena, I have business opportunities on our team, or if you want to acquire more about any of our services, feel free to reach out to us in an email right under the description. See you in the next video, guys. Have a great day.